Hi everyone, it's Brian here with a short video to teach you how to get Fusion 360 so that you can put it on your own computer. We are going to go to a web browser, and in the navigation bar we're going to type autodesk.com, autodesk.com. Hit enter, and that will take you to Autodesk's main page. At this point, we're going to go up to the top right corner of this page, click on Menu, and go down to where it says Students and Educators, almost 3/4 of the way down this little pop-up screen here. Click on that, and it takes me to the Student Educator website for Autodesk. Here, there's a lot of actual really helpful things. There's software tutorials here. There's contests that you can enter. They're all posted here. For this particular tutorial, we're interested in the first tab that says free software. So go ahead and click on that. And because you're a student here at Lehigh, this enables you to get a free 3-year license to any of Autodesk's software. You can see a bunch of their software here on this landing page: Inventor, Revit, used by architecture, AutoCAD, kind of a classic, Maya, Inventor, even Tinkercad, which is really basic CAD stuff, 3ds Max, which is amazing for doing rendering and visualization stuff. But we are actually going to be focused on this software called Fusion 360. This is a solid modeling program equivalent to something like SolidWorks. And that's what the next several classes are going to be on. And so the first step of this is obviously to get the software on your own computer so you have access to it. The great thing about Fusion 360 is that it is accessible to both Mac and PC, so independent of which computer platform you have. It runs on both with the same exact interface. It's really nice if you're switching between them. So Fusion 360 has typically been here front on the left side of this landing page, and you are obviously going to click Get It Now Individual License. If you have an Autodesk account through Lehigh, you can go ahead and click Sign In. If you do not, or you have a previous account from a high school or something like that, you're still going to want to create a new account so that you can take advantage of all of the free software that you can get. So you're going to click Create Account. It's going to take you through this series of different pages asking you for information. You're just going to sort of follow along the prompts. I'm not going to take you through all of this because I think it's pretty self-explanatory once you're here. Educational role, you'll choose student, institution type, obviously university or post-secondary. Go ahead and put your birth date in, click Next, and it will ask you several other questions. Once you have that, then it will allow you to download the software, and you'll sign into that software using the account information that you create here in this page. Hopefully this is pretty straightforward and self-explanatory. It's generally a pretty easy process. It will most likely ask you for a 2-factor authentication, so it will probably ask you for a cell phone or an email address that it can send a code to. This is totally normal, and it just really protects your data. So go ahead and download the software, get it installed on the computer that you're going to use for the tutorials that we're going to go through, and I will see you at our next video. Thanks for watching.